Hey, it's Wreckerman Stan again. Out here at the used to be, still is, I guess, makeshift rabbit hutch, but it doesn't look like it's getting much use today. A few tracks, somebody's been in there. That might be in a dog. Hell, it might have been a rabbit. Hell, I don't know. And there's my Dwayne Olson's dad's 1950 refrigerator smoker. Pretty cool. And that's my shed that I made out of all the extras from the... I don't know if you can see it or not. The sun's in my face. From the house. There's Remy. Dexter. Dexter. Hey, Remy, come here. There's Remington. Hey, don't jump on me now. And there's Dexter. He's Dexter or Buster Douglas? Looks like Dexter. And there's my 93 GMC truck that I'm sure has a dead battery. Bought this for, you know, the gas store is open. It makes you think somebody's been trying to siphon your gas. But sometimes you get in trouble for thinking. Well, there's my jumper cables. I'm sure this ain't got a dead battery. Oh, the gas gauge came on, but I'm sure it's dead. Yeah. Anyway, I bought this for $400. Oh, well, there's my things to the dump. That you can get like $7 off or something that we always forget to get and take. Well, no cold start on that. That's definitely a no start. Okay. The next candidate is a 2007 Yamaha Raptor 350. Bought off the showroom floor right from the Yamaha dealer. Yeah. Let's see here. Huh. Oh wow, the light's on. That's like, I can't see if I'm recording or not. The sun's so damn bright in my eyes, I can't see crap. If I went to the other side, I guess it'd probably make more sense. Huh. Weird. The light's on. Didn't expect that. Let's see. Let's see what'll happen. What if it'll turn over? It's got a dead battery. If it was the summertime, I think it'd really start. This thing is so reliable usually. But this thing is set out here and went through 4 or 5. Yeah, it ain't gonna start. It's a no start. This thing has went through probably. That's amazing. It didn't even try. But that's a Yamaha for you. And it's got a nice icicle growing off it. Well, yeah, that's definitely a no start. And I already know the battery froze in that, so that's definitely a no start. And I tried starting that the other day. That's a no start. So, anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, and share some of these videos. That's a good way to get some of this stuff out. But we're just messing around. We're just messing around right now. We're gonna get serious here about doing this video stuff here. Get cameras and stuff. We're just doing this on our cell phones and stuff. Just trying to do something besides nothing. But as you know, nothing is something. But in reality, it's nothing. But anyways, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Bye.